Yes, in this video we'll see how to import the data set. The best part of RStudio is it has a direct option of data import. If you have text import data set, you can import from this option. If you want to import what is this called CSV format, then you can go with this option. Okay, then if you want to import Excel file, then you can select the Excel option. And if you want to import SPSS file, you can directly import from this. And if you are working with SAS or Stata, then you can click on that data type, select that type, and then you can click on OK, right? So now first I'll start with importing the Excel dataset. I have kept my Excel dataset in my downloads or for YouTube or dataset. Okay, so when you select the Excel option, please make sure this is a valid. Okay, there's some issue. Oh, sorry, the data file is actually CSV, so I did a mistake. So I have to go back and then go to this option. Then I have to select the Excel sheet. This is a CSV, comma delimited. You can see this is a comma separated value sheet. Yes. Now this data import is correct, right? So this is a comma delimited CSV sheet. If you want to name, you can name your data set. Okay, I'll name it as a data with some other name, data A for R, right? And here you can see the code is also given. Okay, the code is also given here. If you want to have knowledge about code, then you can straight away copy this code and paste it in a notebox. Okay, notepad. I'm just importing this. Remember this, we are importing this CSV file. Okay, not Excel sheet. This is a CSV file, right? Import. So the moment you import, as I said, you can see here the data is visible here, right? And I already told you in the beginning video that whatever the data set you import will be displayed here, right? Whatever the data we import will be displayed here, and here this is the data you can view, right? And here in the console you can see the comments. Okay, and this is about importing the data set. I'll also import I'll show you some import of SPSS data. Okay, just go to this browse. I'll just check out if I have any SPSS data with me. Hopefully yes, I have some SPSS data. I'm just importing it, right? Yes, yeah, this is the SPSS data I have. X1, X2, X3 with a double label. So cross check is there any issues, just import it. Yes, so this is imported. Now you can work with the SPSS data. Okay, the similar way you can import some Excel sheet. Now I'm trying to import some Excel sheet in my downloads. I get some Excel sheet somewhere around downloads. No Excel sheet here. This is Excel sheet. Yeah, I have Excel sheet. I don't know whether this is Excel sheet. Yes, this is Excel sheet. Air passengers. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. This is the air passenger data set in Excel form. And one more thing, you remember Excel has a different sheets. So sometimes since this this data set of Excel has only one sheet. If you have different sheets, then you have to go and check with the different sheets. Okay, you can change the worksheets here. Excel consists of different worksheets, so if you want to change, you have to change it here, right? And if you want to have some codes, you can take codes from here, then import. Then this is the data set of air passengers, right? This is all about importing the data set. Okay, thank you.